Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like, subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Today we're just taking a quick look at XRP here on our daily time frame. As we can see, still consolidating under this 050 Fibonacci level here, as you can see. We've had a really nice deviation back above this previous level of support here. Obviously you can see it got flipped into resistance. We came down, we touched our 038 Fibonacci at around 41 cents here. Bit of a wick down below. And then a huge nice reversal off those lows here. You can see putting in a little bit of a range and just a lot of chop over the past year or so for XRP during the bear market. Obviously we've got some big catalysts on the way for it, in my opinion, pretty damn soon. Right now, as you can see, XRP very much just consolidating under this next resistance, looking like it may want to start moving up through some levels. Obviously it's been going sideways for a long time, so we're just waiting and seeing if we can get that big SEC catalyst going into the end of the year. Bitcoin looking at more bullish and XRP also following suit. Right now we're just waiting and seeing what will happen next, but overall still chilling.